Díaghuit agus fáilte go dtí an ceacht gaeilge seo. Tá an ceacht seo bunaithe Cárta Poist ón Spáinn, agus tá sé sa leabhar turas a hain leanach 104. Ok, now tá sampla an seo, ok? Sampla. Ach, sulla léimiid an sampla before you read it. Let's have a look at this here, okay? So in order to fully understand this, we must look over here, okay? So féach an seo, so bhuska gurm. Now, tá banu, greeting, tá curp, the body, agus tá an creach, the ending, okay? So, tá liste de folklore an gaelga agus an bearla an seo, okay? A liam a chara, dear liam. A deirdre a chara, dear Deirdre. Cunas atá tú, how are you? Or you could say, cén chuí bhfuil tú? No, cad é mar atá tú, depending on where in the country you might be from. Tá súla gom go bhfuil tú go maith. I hope you are well. Tá súla gom go bhfuil tú in mór na sláinte. I hope you are in the best of health. Tá a gairí go maith lum. I'm doing well. Tá a gairí go héintach lum. I'm doing great. Tá mig bant an tanna vas na lein de sira. I'm really enjoying the holidays. Táim sira Spáinn sa rank America. I am on holidays in Spain, France, or America. Tá an aimsir go hála. The weather is lovely. Bíonn an green ag tanmh gach lá. Tá an green ag scuilte na gluc. Tá an trá go háling. Tá an tóstán compordach. Tá na háisina sport aus. Tá na siopaí thar bór. Tá na daoine lách chardúil. The people are really friendly, na daoine. Tá an bia sór bhlasta. The food is very tasty. Talking about gníomhaíochtaí activities. Téim ag snámh gach maidin. I go swimming every morning. Imríam soccer gach lá. Ligam na ski. Téim ag siopadóireacht. Búlam le macórde. Agus an creach, okay, so how do you finish off your Cárta Poist? You could say, bye me arash, I will be back. Feci me hu, I will see you, or Deilún se hogan. So feci me hu, Deilún se hogan, I will see you next Monday. Marhapla. Okay, so now when you go back and have a look here, you will be able to understand it, or you should, okay? And don't be afraid to go back and go through one or things if you miss them, okay? Go héintach. So lay on sampla nish, okay? Nuair atá tú críochnathe, féach na ceistena. So, freagar na ceistena. Cá bhfuil soracha sira. Cá bhfuil. Where is soracha sira on holidays? Okay. Ifir dó, cunas atá an aimsir. Ifir trí, an bhfuil an counter go deas. An counter, the area. Is the area nice? Luig gá áis atá sa counter. Mention 2 facilities in the area. Céimhéid seomra cuddalta atá san árasán. How many bedrooms are in the apartment? Cad a déir sí faoin roiarc ón malcón. What did she say about the roiarc, about the view from the balcony? If we're shocked, cahan a bhaig soracha arash. When will soracha be back? Agus if we're hooked, cá veci sí liam arish. Where will she see Liam again? Okay, so lay an Cárta Poist, lay an stór focail an seo, okay, agus freagar na ceistena isteach I de chópair. Gnáirí an tálaat, slán agus bannacht.